Hey, what's up? I'm showing you how to connect your Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro wireless dongle in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, grab your DeathAdder V3 Pro out of the box. The wireless dongle is usually tucked inside a small compartment under the mouse or included separately. Pop it out. It's a tiny USB stick. Now, take that dongle and plug it into a USB port on your PC. Any port works, but I'd go for one directly on your computer, not a hub. This is for the best connection. You should hear a little chime from your PC recognizing it. Next, flip your mouse over. Find the power button, it's near the bottom. Press and hold it for about 2 seconds until the light blinks green. That means it's on and looking to pair with the dongle. Your mouse should connect automatically since it's prepared from the factory. Move it around, and if the cursor is responding on screen, you're good. If not, you might need Razer Synapse to pair it manually, but that's rare. For full control, like tweaking DPI or polling rates, download Razer Synapse from Razer's website. Install it, open it, and your mouse will pop up. Customize away if you want. And that's it, guys. Your DeathAdder V3 Pro is now ready to roll wirelessly. If you hit any snags, drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Game on.